How to create employee payroll in Excel. Here's template result. For steps we'll share to you. Step 1, add the title. Step 2, insert the header. Step 3, enter the employee information. Step 4, total the net pay. Let's start with this practice. Step 1, add the title. Hold select cell to 2 rows and tilt column M. Next, click on Merge Cell. And click on column A to resize space. Enter the title payroll in cell. Format font to Arial black and font size set 36. Next, change font color on text. Step 2, insert the employee header. I copy and paste the employee header on cells. All of these are the employee header. Next, resize the column space. Step 3, enter the employee information. I copy and paste on cells. There are 4 information of staff, had ID, name, gender, and position. Next, I select all these cells and set font is Carla and 9 font size. After select the header, set the fill color. Next, set header to align center. After set fill color on top left right bottom. Next, I will remove the gender on these cells. After, I right-click on this cell and rename to Payroll List. And I click New Sheets. Remand to Setting. And type gender at the second sheets. Now, I call the gender from Setting Sheets. OK, select the cells that I want to show these criteria, and click Data and choose Data Validation. Next, select List. Put cursor in box and click this button. Next, open Setting Sheets and select Gender. And click OK. Check the result. OK, in cells, I enter only 2 criteria are M or F. After, enter the stuff salary rate. And next column is overtime hour of stuff. And this column is showing overtime pay. Next, I need to add the tax. And the tax I convert to percentage number. And next is insurance payment. Step 4, total the net pay. Before total this result, you need to total overtime and payment tax. Now, click on this cell, press equals, and click on overtime hour and multiply overtime pay. And press enter. Click on the corner of cell and drag it down. Okay, these are overtime total money of all the staff. Next, total payment tax. Click on this cell and press equals. Next, click on salary rate and multiply with tax. And press enter. Click on the corner of cell and drag it down. Okay, here is the outcome of total payment tax. The last, total the net pay. Okay, press equals and type some function. Click on salary rate and comma. Next, click on overtime total. Close parentheses and press minus and use some function again. Next, click on tax cell and comma. After, click on insurance cell. Close parentheses and enter. Click on the corner of cell and drag it down. Okay, this is the net payment of staff. I would like to explain you that why this result I use some function 2 times. Now, I calculate with first total. Press equals. And click on salary rate and plus with overtime total. And press enter. Next, press equals and click on tax and plus with insurance. And enter. Okay, I can total net pay. Now, I press equals and click first total and plus second total and enter. Okay, the result I see that is correct. Next, hide grid line. Click on View and unchecked on Box Grid Line. Okay, the line cells are hide. After, print one page. First, click on Page Layout, and close to choose one page, and this below set one page too. Now View to print area. Click on File, and choose Print. Next, change to Landscape. Okay, the page is full printing.